Hi everybody. What do we actually mean when we talk about a flexible GibSCAM application? As a GibSCAM user, you have access to a broad set of solutions with a modular structure that can be flexibly adapted to your individual range of applications at any time. GibSCAM can be used flexibly regardless of the machine or control manufacturer. With our powerful post-processors, we can get any machine up and running. GibSCAM can be used flexibly regardless of the required batch size, regardless of whether you had to mill a prototype yesterday, produce a small series today, or mass-produce tomorrow. GibSCAM can be used flexibly regardless of the complexity of the parts to be produced, from simple 2.5D drilling and pocket machining to the creation of complex free-form surfaces in 5 axes. With GibSCAM you can program all available machines from your shop floor within one software environment, from the simple lace to the most complex multi-channel machine, and are also equipped for future technologies. GibSCAM can be used flexibly and efficiently by both machine operators and CAM specialists.